to perform a torque and cleaning procedure for a 480-volt, 3000 amp switchgear, you must first observe stringent safety precautions. Begin by implementing a comprehensive lockout and tagout procedure to completely isolate the switchgear from all power sources before commencing any work. This is paramount to prevent accidental energization during maintenance. Next, ensure that all personnel involved are equipped with appropriate personal protective equipment, including a full arc flash suit rated for the potential energy levels, insulated gloves that meet relevant safety standards for the voltage involved, and safety glasses to protect against debris or accidental arc flash exposure. Ensure these items meet or exceed applicable safety standards for the task at hand. For the materials needed, you will need a calibrated torque wrench that is appropriate for the torque ranges specified for the switchgear connections. You will also need a cleaning solution such as isopropyl alcohol, which is effective for removing contaminants without leaving conductive residues. Lint-free cloths are crucial to prevent the introduction of fibers or particles that could compromise the integrity of electrical connections. Finally, consider using a conductive lubricant, which is optional but recommended to enhance electrical contact and prevent corrosion. The procedure is outlined as follows. Firstly, preparation is key. Thoroughly clean the exterior of the switchgear to remove any accumulated dirt, dust, or debris. This initial cleaning helps to prevent contaminants from entering the internal components during the maintenance process. Double-check and verify that all equipment is properly locked out and grounded, according to established safety protocols. This grounding step is critical for dissipating any residual electrical charge and ensuring a safe working environment. Secondly, you will need to perform connection inspection and cleaning. Carefully inspect all electrical connections within the switchgear for any signs of loose wires, corrosion, or physical damage. Document any observed issues for subsequent repair or replacement. Using a lint-free cloth, lightly moistened with isopropyl alcohol, meticulously clean all accessible connections. Remove any dirt, grease, oxidation, or other contaminants from the terminals, busbars, and contact surfaces to ensure optimal electrical conductivity. Thirdly, torquing is of extreme importance to this process. It is critical to avoid loosening all connections simultaneously, as this can create a potential for arcing or other hazardous conditions. Instead, systematically tighten each connection individually using a calibrated torque wrench. Consult the manufacturer's specifications or equipment documentation for the correct torque values applicable to each specific type of connection within the switchgear. Typical torque values for switchgear connections may vary. For example, busbar joints typically require a torque between 225 and 350 foot-pounds. Circuit breaker terminal connections generally require between 150 and 200 foot-pounds, and load lug terminals often require a torque value between 80 and 120 foot-pounds. Always adhere to the manufacturer's recommendations. Fourthly, lubrication is optional but recommended. During the tightening process, apply a small, uniform amount of conductive lubricant to the threads of each connection. This lubricant helps to reduce friction during tightening, prevents corrosion, and promotes consistent electrical contact between the connected surfaces. Fifthly, verification must be done to ensure everything has been torqued properly. After tightening all connections, use the calibrated torque wrench to verify that each connection meets the specified torque value. Re-inspect all connections for any loose wires, signs of damage, or other abnormalities. Address any discrepancies or issues promptly to ensure the integrity of the electrical connections. Sixthly, reassembly of the components must be done carefully. Once the torquing and inspection are complete, carefully reassemble the switchgear components, ensuring that all parts are correctly positioned and secured. Restore power to the switchgear following established safety procedures. Operate the switchgear under normal load conditions to verify proper functionality and ensure that all systems are operating within acceptable parameters. Additional notes include the following. If any connections exhibit signs of loose wires, corrosion, or physical damage, they should be replaced or repaired before proceeding with the retorquing process. If the torque values obtained during verification are not within the specified range, further investigation is necessary to identify the underlying cause and implement appropriate corrective actions. It is highly recommended to establish a routine inspection and maintenance schedule for the switchgear connections to ensure ongoing safe and reliable operation. Regular inspections can help detect potential issues early, preventing costly downtime and ensuring the long-term performance of the equipment. Proper documentation of all maintenance activities, including torque values, inspection findings, and any repairs performed, is essential for maintaining accurate records and tracking the condition of the switchgear over time. This documentation can be invaluable for future maintenance and troubleshooting efforts. Properly torquing electrical connections is crucial for ensuring reliable performance and preventing potential hazards such as overheating, arcing, and equipment failure. Under-torqued connections can lead to increased resistance, which generates heat and can cause insulation damage or even fire. Over-torqued connections can damage the hardware, strip threads, and compromise the integrity of the joint. Using a calibrated torque wrench and following the manufacturer's recommended torque values is essential for achieving the correct tightness. Cleaning electrical connections is equally important for removing contaminants that can impede current flow and cause corrosion. Dirt, dust, grease, and oxidation can increase resistance and reduce the efficiency of the connection. Using a lint-free cloth and an appropriate cleaning solution, such as isopropyl alcohol, can effectively remove these contaminants without leaving behind any residue. Conductive lubricants can further enhance the performance and longevity of electrical connections by reducing friction, preventing corrosion, and improving electrical conductivity. These lubricants are typically applied to the threads of the connection during the tightening process. The frequency of torquing and cleaning electrical connections depends on several factors, including the operating environment, the type of equipment, and the criticality of the application. In harsh environments with high levels of dust, moisture, or vibration, more frequent maintenance may be required. Consult the manufacturer's recommendations and industry best practices for guidance on establishing an appropriate maintenance schedule. When working with electrical equipment, always prioritize safety. De-energize and lock out all power sources before commencing any work. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including arc flash protection, insulated gloves, and safety glasses. Follow all applicable safety regulations and procedures. If you are not qualified to perform electrical work, seek the assistance of a licensed electrician. In addition to torquing and cleaning, other maintenance tasks that may be required for switchgear include inspecting insulation, testing circuit breakers, and verifying grounding connections. A comprehensive maintenance program should address all aspects of the equipment to ensure reliable performance and prevent failures. Regularly inspect the switchgear enclosure for any signs of damage, corrosion, or water intrusion. Address any issues promptly to prevent further deterioration. Check the ventilation system to ensure that it is functioning properly and that there are no obstructions. Overheating can damage sensitive components and reduce the lifespan of the equipment. Inspect the wiring and cabling for any signs of wear, damage, or loose connections. Replace any damaged or deteriorated wiring. Test the operation of the circuit breakers and other protective devices to ensure that they are functioning properly. Calibrate or replace these devices as needed. Verify the integrity of the grounding system to ensure that it is providing a safe path for fault currents. Inspect the grounding conductors and connections for any signs of corrosion or damage. Switchgear maintenance is a critical aspect of electrical safety and reliability. By following proper torquing and cleaning procedures along with other essential maintenance tasks, you can ensure that your switchgear operates safely and efficiently for many years to come. Always consult with qualified professionals and adhere to relevant safety standards and regulations when performing any electrical work. Remember that electrical work can be dangerous and should only be performed by trained and qualified personnel. If you are not comfortable or qualified to perform a particular task, seek the assistance of a licensed electrician or other qualified professional. Neglecting switchgear maintenance can lead to serious consequences, including equipment failure, power outages, and even injuries or fatalities. A proactive maintenance program is essential for preventing these issues and ensuring the safety of personnel and the reliability of the electrical system. Properly maintained switchgear not only ensures safety but also contributes to energy efficiency. Clean and well-torqued connections reduce resistance, minimizing energy losses and lowering operating costs. Regular maintenance can also extend the lifespan of the equipment, reducing the need for costly replacements. A well-maintained electrical system is a valuable asset that provides reliable power and protects against potential hazards. Invest in regular maintenance and prioritize safety to ensure the long-term performance and reliability of your electrical equipment. Before starting any work on switchgear, it is essential to gather all necessary information, including the manufacturer's specifications, equipment documentation, and relevant safety regulations. Review these materials carefully to ensure that you understand the proper procedures and safety precautions. If you have any questions or concerns, consult with a qualified professional before proceeding. Planning and preparation are key to a successful and safe maintenance operation. Take the time to gather the necessary information, tools, and equipment before starting any work. When working with electrical equipment, it is important to be aware of the potential hazards and to take appropriate precautions to mitigate those risks. Electrical shock, arc flash, and explosions are all potential hazards that can result in serious injuries or fatalities. Always to energize and lock out power sources before commencing any work. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment and follow all applicable safety regulations and procedures. Never take shortcuts or compromise on safety. Switchgear technology is constantly evolving, with new features and capabilities being introduced regularly. Stay up to date on the latest advancements in switchgear technology to ensure that you are using the best practices and equipment for your application. Attend industry conferences, read technical publications, and consult with manufacturers to stay informed about new developments. Investing in training and education can help you to improve your skills and knowledge, and to stay ahead of the curve in this rapidly changing field. Switchgear is an essential component of any electrical system, and proper maintenance is crucial for ensuring its safe and reliable operation. By following the procedures and precautions outlined in this guide, you can help to prevent equipment failures, reduce the risk of accidents, and extend the lifespan of your switchgear. Always prioritize safety and consult with qualified professionals when necessary.